What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so we have to do a rematch of the test drive of the 500 horsepower build. So the last time was probably 3 weeks ago when one of the coolant hoses just split right open during a pull. So that video didn't came out as good, but it's a very common problem when you tune your cars, so glad that it happened and I could show you also. So all the coolant hose has been changed, so I got some new ones from DO88, thanks to you guys. And after that we had a little bit of an oil leak, as you can see here in the garage, and we also had a coolant leak. So when I had changed all the hoses, I went out for a test drive, and when I stopped, it just was pissing underneath the car, right underneath the firewall. So my first thought was this like heat valve that's supposed to direct the coolant when the coolant reaches a certain temperature and stuff like that. So immediately when I saw it pissing, I was just driving home as fast as I could, and during the time when I drove home it stopped. So which was really suspicious, but eventually I found the problem. So from the heating valve to the firewall there are two hoses, and the one furthest down came loose a little bit when I popped on the new hoses. So it was a small leak, but now it's fixed and now it has a really good clamp. So let's do a new test drive. This will be a nice little night drive. We have had a super sunny, nice day today, so it's nice to get a drive in when the temperature is dropping a little bit during the night time. So we have got some temperature in the engine, has been running for a little while. We are going to go out and do some pulls. Unfortunately, I don't have the computer with me now, so I won't be logging anything. This will be just a run to see that everything is working again and everything is put together. Like I said, I have a small little oil leak, so I have ordered some new hose for the oil cooler, which is also a super common thing that they leak. So we will fix that in the upcoming week. And we have some other projects that are awaiting as well. We are waiting for some parts for the coilover build for this car. And I'm going to purchase some new tires because these tires are worn out. And I'm gonna go for some semi-slick tires, so very much stiffer sidewalls on the tires and better grip. So should be really exciting, because now the car is tuned very good, so I don't have wheel spin much at all. And in the future we are also adding boost by gear, so Right now, second gear is the biggest like issue. If I stomp on second gear, I will have wheel spin. It pulls so good. Just insane. Ceramic brakes are squeaking like a pig. We actually go this way. Like I said, it's a beautiful evening out here in Sweden. Just enjoying some driving. Gonna switch the camera from my head and do some pulls so you can see the speed, and maybe we could clock some time to see how it performs. So that drive went really well and so much fun. So now we know that we could continue with the tuning of the car. So now I'm gonna hop on to the logging again, fix some stuff together with Joel, who's doing the tuning of the car. And as I mentioned before, I think we are going to do a little bit of boost by gear. So you could pull like full throttle at second gear, but don't get wheel spin. And a lot of stuff coming up. So let me show you a little bit what's going on right here. So in this corner right here, we have the coilover build tucked away. We have some lowering springs for the Turbo 6. The front parts of the Turbo 6, because the car is at the paint shop. We got some wiring and stuff for the Turbo 6. Here we got the Hears package. We got 2 diffusers. One from TuneStyle and one that is ABS plastic, a prototype, which you will see more of. So as of right now, I have started a little bit of vacation. So I hope to be able to do more YouTube and to upload more frequently. So this summer should be epic. And in a couple of weeks, I'm going to take a trip to my hometown of Vänersborg and Trollhättan. So I hope to be able to do some kind of like a little bit meet and greet and talk to you guys. So should be so much fun. So we have a lot to do this summer, I can tell you that. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye.